Alright, so hello and assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Ali Piracha, and today I'll be presenting my case study on the topic that I chose, that of autonomous trucks and logistics automation as an innovation that's pretty much changing this industry. So this presentation is actually based on my report for the topic of innovation management, and it focuses on how self-driving trucks and automation in this industry is transforming the global freight and logistics. Okay, so to talk about this industry as first, so the logistics industry is actually one of the most important parts of the global economy because it connects producers and consumers across great distances all across the world. But this industry actually faces serious challenges such as shortage of truck drivers, high fuel prices, and the need for faster and cheaper deliveries. And to solve these problems, actually, companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Too Simple are actually developing autonomous trucks that use sensors, cameras, and AI to actually drive safely and efficiently without the need of any drivers. These technologies are now actually reshaping the global logistics, and I'm going to explain it in the next slides. So, the role of innovation. Autonomous trucking is actually both a technological and a process innovation. It actually uses AI, sensors, and advanced computing systems to let trucks operate with little or no human control. This innovation was actually introduced mainly to address the real world issues like shortages of drivers or accidents relating to fatigue or restlessness or to try and deliver faster. And according to the International Road Transport Union, the IRU, there are actually 2.6 million unfilled truck driver positions all across the world, and for this reason autonomous trucks can help fill this gap by running longer hours and reducing human errors and improving overall efficiency in logistics and freight operations. So let's talk about the challenges. Although this technology is very promising, it actually faces several challenges. First, there are technological limits. So the self-driving systems will struggle with complex road conditions, bad weather, and unpredictable traffic. Secondly, the government regulations are unclear in many countries, especially concerning accident responsibility and insurance. Thirdly, the cost of these systems is really, really high, making them difficult for smaller firms to afford. And fourthly and lastly, there are social concerns such as public safety fears and the risk of job loss for millions of drivers. So now let's connect this innovation to some key theories about this subject. First, the Rogers diffusion of innovation theory explains how new ideas spread in society. It moves through five stages: innovators, early adopters, early majority, late majority, and laggards. And secondly, according to the Rogers diffusion of innovation theory, autonomous trucking is still in the early adoption stage as of right now. Innovators like Tesla and Waymo are leading the way, while companies such as UPS and DHL, delivery companies, are testing the systems before full automated use. Chesborough's open innovation theory shows how collaboration helps success. Now, partnerships such as Too Simple working with Navistar and UPS allow companies to share knowledge and reduce costs. Schumpeter's creative destruction theory also explains how technologies replace old ones. While automation may replace some driver jobs, it creates new opportunities in AI maintenance, logistics management, and data analysis. So, to overcome these challenges, several strategies can be used. First, companies should continue improving AI and safety systems by testing them in different conditions to make them more reliable. Second, governments need to set clear laws and safety standards, including rules for insurance and accident responsibility. And thirdly, companies should educate the public by sharing testing data and running pilot programs to build trust. And lastly, there should be training and reskilling programs so that drivers can move into new roles such as system operators or fleet monitors instead of being replaced. So the expected outcomes, if these strategies are applied, the logistics industry will become safer, faster, and more sustainable. Operating costs will fall as trucks can run longer without rest, and accidents caused by fatigue will decrease. Electric autonomous trucks will also reduce emissions and support environmental goals. Even though some traditional jobs may change, new opportunities will appear in technology, management, data analysis, which will help the industry grow stronger overall. So, to conclude, autonomous trucks and logistics automation are powerful, disruptive innovations that are reshaping the future of transportation. They promise to make global logistics safer, cheaper, more efficient, but their success depends on how well technology, governments, and society work together. If managed responsibly, this innovation can build a sustainable and connected global economy, creating benefits not only for companies but also for people everywhere. Thank you.